Hi first graders, welcome to Unit 1, Week 3, Day 4. Okay, we're going to be going a bit faster with the blends. So I will give you I will help you with the first one, then we'll go across. Pull. Okay. Cull. Bowl. Full. Goal. Soul. Okay, so listen as I say a word, flap. The middle sound is ah, flap. Listen as I say another word, flip. The middle sound is if. Listen, flip. Now I will say the two words. I'll clap my hands when I hear the ah sound. Flip, flap. Flip, flap. Okay, let's do some more with listening for the ah sound. Sat, sit. Sat, sit. Fine, fine, fan. Fine, fan. Him, ham. Him, ham. Cap, cape. Cap, cape. Can, cane. Can, cane. Bag, bag. Bag, bag. Man, mane. Man, mane. Tip, tap. Tip, tap. Okay, we're going to read some words. This is the word clap. Say the word with me. Clap. Change the k to full. Flap. Change the f to s. Slap. Change the a to is. Slip. Change the p to k. So slip. Slick. Change the s to k. Click. Change the change the I to a. So click becomes clack. Change the k to p. Clap. Change the k to f. Flap. Change the a to I. Flip. Change the p to k. Flick. Nice job. Okay, here are our high frequency words. 3, 2, 1, be. 3, 2, 1, come. 3, 2, 1, good. 3, 2, 1, pull. Okay, let's read this. A good black cat. Let's do it together. A good black cat. Okay, these are words we'll see. 3, 2, 1, is. 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, can. 3, 2, 1, with. 3, 2, 1, has. 3, 2, 1, good. 3, 2, 1, for. 3, 2, 1, come. Okay, here we go. A good black cat. Again, a good black cat. Okay, let's make these. I see soul here. I see bull. And I see k. Okay, you get to go first. Now we'll do it together. Mac is a slim black cat. Slim means he's skinny. Okay, I see a soul and a full again. And a k, because this is Mac. Okay, your turn. Now we'll do it together. Mac can slip and flip. Oh, whoops. Okay, your turn. Together. Mac can sit. Mac can play with it. Your turn. Together. Mac has a good plan. Mac will flip for a pat. Okay, last part. Okay, come, clap for Mac. Okay, please remember that when we have more than one, we add an S. So cat becomes cats. Van becomes vans. and sometimes you hear a s or a z. So cats, vans. Okay, bag becomes bags, flag becomes flags, clam becomes clams. And last of all, pig becomes pigs. We add an S when there's more than one. Okay, friends, I'll see you later. Bye, everyone.